What's up guys, Shamil here, new auto glass, and I'm working on a Mercedes S550, which is 14, 15, 16, 17 model. I think it's also 18 model, and I'm working on the back glass. Back glass is laminated and expensive part. Got a lot of wires. There's wires there. There were wires here that I took out. And if you're gonna do this windshield, I would recommend using a Spider, WRD, Raptor, Viper, whatever you have that's wire tool. If you do it with the regular tools, see how deep the urethane is? Yeah, there's no way the blade would get there. And if you're gonna go extractor, you just hacking the job. So yeah, glue is deep, so definitely recommend using one of these. And before you start cutting it, you have to take the side panels off. And to take it off is actually, there's a screw. The screw right here, which is under the airbag clip. Pull it out. Then there's a clips right here. So this side you just pull it out, and there's hooks that go here. Just pull it down. So all you're doing, unscrew, pull this out, and pull this down. And then there's clips right there, so you got to push them out. So you got to do in few motions. Unscrew it, pull these out, pull this side down, and pull this side out, and then pull it towards you, because there's a visor here that goes up and down, and there's a channel, so it goes inside the channel there. Let me show you from outside. It goes in here. So when you put it back, it has to line up with this. The glass is laminated. Here's the glass. I rip all these wires out so they don't cut my line, because you don't need them. Everything comes on the glass already. This glass is has heated like a Range Rover antenna. They got so much stuff. It's an expensive piece. I was gonna cut it with the WRD orange bat, but it's uncomfortable. It's such a tight spot over there. I think one of these is better because it's flat. You can stick the tool. I don't know if you have a Raptor, if you'll be able to use the ratchet, but with this it was easier for me. So there you go. Just be careful. Just want to show you because I didn't know how to do these before. When I was trying to do it, it's just taking my time with this. Just want to show you so you know. It's laminated, wire tool recommended. Take the panels off. There's a light here. Also has to come off. And the light, the way it comes off, there's a clips. Basically the light clips onto this. If you ever did those newer BMWs, they're the same way. You just pull it one way, pull it the other way. Just be careful. Everything's so plastic and easy to break. Alright, this is just a quick video. Hope this helped. Oh, before you ask, I lost my anchor, so I'm using a suction cup as an anchor. Alright, thank you guys, and have a good day.